how to fix your Apple TV Plus not loading. So let's get straight into the video, shall we? So the first thing you'll need is Apple ID with Apple TV Plus subscription, stable internet connection, and a supported device. If it's not working, then you want to simply go ahead and check your internet connection, try toggling between your Wi-Fi and your cellular data, or you could also try restarting your router. You can also try restarting your application by closing it and opening it again. If that doesn't work, you want to simply go ahead and try to restart your iPhone, iPad, Apple TV, or other device that you're watching it on. If that doesn't work, you can also go to systemstatus.apple.com and check if the servers are up and running. If not, you might need to simply go to your settings, general, and software update to check if there are any updates available. If it's still not working, you can try signing out and signing back into your Apple ID, or even better, if nothing works, just go to support.apple.com/TV. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.